Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create multiple users on OnePlus 13R. Firstly, go into settings, now scroll to the very bottom and go into users and accounts right here. Now go into multiple users, enable add a user, add. Now create a nickname for this user, a username, and if you tap here you can also set a profile picture. Then just tap on done. Okay. And now to switch in between the users, you have to pull from the top of the screen to the bottom twice and tap on this icon. Now select to which user you would like to log into. Let's select a newly created one and tap on switch. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.